Alright guys, so this is a quick one. I'll be showing you guys how to log out of WhatsApp. So if you're new on this channel, this is Charles also, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So ensure you like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So for you to log out of WhatsApp, you simply need to come to where you have these three dots up here. So click on the three dots up here. Once you click on that, come over here and click on setting. So once you click on settings, you can see we have accounts, privacy, avatar. So click on accounts. So once you click on accounts, you can see all what we have right here. And the last one we have here is delete accounts. So like there's no option for you to log out of WhatsApp using the usual or the normal method. So it means we need to go about this another way. So for you to successfully log out of WhatsApp, what you do at this point is you go back. So once you go back, you can see we are using WhatsApp at the moment. So we want to go to WhatsApp business. So once I go to WhatsApp business, what I'll do at my WhatsApp business is I'll try to log in using the same number that I have on that WhatsApp. So once I click on WhatsApp business, so let's try to log in. I'll click on agree and continue. Then I'll put in the number right here and click on next. So you can see your number has been securely verified on this device. So I'll click on continue right here. So right here, I'll click on not now. Just over there, put in your name right here. Then I'll click on next. Alright, finishing setup. So can you see I've logged into this WhatsApp. So let's go and check the other WhatsApp if we are still logged in. So once I go to that other WhatsApp business, let's see. Can you see you have been logged out? It means that we have successfully logged out of this WhatsApp. Hope you get that, guys. Very simple. And that is basically how you go about logging out of WhatsApp. So if you got value, ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.